Okay, welcome back to Join Teaches Chinese. In this few minutes, we're gonna go through some of the rest of finals in this page. Okay, the rest of pages, the rest finals are combined, which is a little more complex. So let's first have a small review of our former review. Okay, this is a, o, e, i, u, yu. Okay, so I hope that you still remember. And in this class, we're gonna go through the rest. Okay, we're gonna go from line to line. The first one, uh, this one, have a guess how it gonna be read? It read as er, er. Okay, uh, it is the same as in English most of the time. Just like in teacher, speaker, er, er. Okay, but for those British, I am not sure. I remember in the same blue line program, there was once upon a time they are pronounced it as a incorrect. It is not or er. It's just er, 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 er. Okay. Okay. The next one. This is purely combined. Yi, right? A, yi, a, ya. It is equals to this one. Remember here, when you read Chinese, read the fur, read it sharp. It is not from here to here. It is together. Okay? So it is not ya. It is ya together. Even from the very early beginning, it is ya. Okay? Ya. Okay, so we give one. Remember, still remember how to read this? Here is a tune, the fourth tune. Here you do not need to remember how to read this tune correctly. I just give an example. This is a xi, right? So maybe you can now read it xia, okay? And many of you, I think you will read it in this way, xia, okay? Actually, it is almost correct, but remember here, sharp, together. 下 ya, ya, xi, ya, xia, xia. The fourth tone, 下 means downward or down. 下 okay? 下 you can turn the speed down. You can know even no matter how slow I am, you are playing the video, it's still 下 okay? Still join together, not 下 okay? Not 下 okay? It's always together. That's how we Chinese to distinguish if you are a native speaker or not. Because the non-Chinese speaker, no matter how fluently they speak the Chinese, they tend to make this mistake. It's not a mistake, but it is very different with how we pronounce it. 下 okay? Same with this one. This one is the wu plus a. So it equals to wu a wa, wu a wa, wa, wa. Okay? Wa. The difference between these two is that if I just say wa, it do not have other initials, then it is wu, use w. Okay? It's like the frog. Wa, wa. But if before this wu, there's still other initials. For example, if I put a he here, which means flower or fleur, he, wu, a, hua, wu, a, wa, he, wa, hua. Okay, it's just the hua. The sound was made up from the early beginning. It's already complete. Hua, not hua. Incorrect. It's just hua altogether, firm and sharp. Okay, not from here to there. It's just firm. Hua. Okay, hua. And this part is wa. Then the next one is the u plus o. U, o. Wo. Wo. It's the theory is same with wu a wa, equals to that wu a wa. Okay, so here is wo. Wo. Okay, and I give you a initial plus the wu o, the combined finals. It gives wu o is wo and ge wo guo. 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 Okay, not guo. Okay, it should be read together. Guo. Guo. Okay, and next one, be careful. Some speaker, for example, ich liebe dich. There's one word in, maybe it's like here, it read e. No. Okay. Germany, no. In English, there's a word lie. Okay. Also incorrect. Okay. This not e, not I. Not e, not I. It is ye. Just like ye. Okay, it's a little complex, forget it. Ye. Okay, you just remember how I'm gonna pronounce it. E, in Spanish. Okay, Spanish. When you say Spanish 7, how you gonna say it? I think you will say siete, or siete, maybe siete. Not very distinguished with the D. Okay, but focus on here, siete. Although it is in Spanish, I think you are doing from 1 to 1, but it's almost the same with the Chinese ye. If you read it siete in Chinese, no, but it's the most closest equivalent. Read it quickly and firmly and all together. Siete, xie, ye, ye. So this letter is a combined final. Ye. It just have its name. Ye. Okay. And here I need to teach you a very important Chinese word, which you should always use. But some of the Chinese people, they seems not like to use it. But it shows your manner and your own quality. This is still xi. Xie, 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 xie. Okay, this one, you can read it, you cannot read it. You can read it, you can choose not to read it. Okay, xie, xie, which means thank you. Okay, thank you. Thank you. It's right in this way. 谢谢. Another one is the same with this one. 谢谢. Anybody help you? You should say 谢谢. Okay? 西耶西耶谢. Okay, the fourth tone. 谢谢谢谢. Okay? And the next one is also, I need to give a little explanation. This is yu, right? This is It joined together, you might read it yu. Okay, yu. But not, it's almost there, but it should be called as yue. 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 In the ancient Chinese, this character is just called yue. Okay, it should have 2 dots, but you will learn these rules later. But here we do not write it. You do not, but you have to know this is a yue plus the yue, 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 yue. That means speak in the Asian Chinese one. When you are doing the HSK test, you're gonna go through this one. Yue, yue, yue. Or still we give the X. 西约学 学 and if we give a third tone 雪 which means snow. Okay, 雪. Okay, next one, it give a a plus e. I. Yes, it gives an I. How you read it? How you read this English letter? You read it I, right? It's the very similar of the Chinese final. Okay, this Chinese final, just read it same with how you read the English letter. I. Okay, I. The Chinese for love. Okay, I write it in the simplified Chinese character, which means I love. Love. It gives an I. Okay. Next one, wu I y. Right? This is wu, and this we just learn it. It's like I, wu I y. Y. So it's if before here there's no other initials, you should write it in this way with a W, Y. But if there's still other initials even before this one, before the wu, you should write it in this way. For example, this is a Y. Okay, if I put another K or K here, it becomes K wu I 快 快 I U I Y 科 U I 科 Y 快 means it could match one of the character, which is means fast. Okay, 快 Y. Okay, next one is again, it is a little tricky. A. Yes, it read A. A. It's very similar when to when you read the English letter A. Okay, A. A. This combined final, its name is just A. A. Okay, we say A. This is A, right? It's like here A. Wu plus A. Wei. Give a second tone. Wei. 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 When you are having on your phone, when you are calling a Chinese friend, the first character you're gonna say is ding 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 ding. Wei. Wei. The final is just this one. A. Okay. The next one is Wu plus A. We just say it. But you should not write it in this way. Okay? You should write it just like here. Wei. 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 Okay? If we put something in between, as the other, if this sound have other initials, for example, if I put a H here, it will become Hui. 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 He. Wei. He. Wu. A. Wu. A. Wei. He. Wei. Hui. One of the matched character is this one, which means back. One of its meaning is back. Hui. Wu. A. Wei. He. Wei. Hui. Okay, should be easy. Next one. Next one is here. A. O. A. O. Ow. 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 Yes, the name of this combined final is just ow. Ow. It's very similar to this part of the English word cow. Right? Say cow. Okay, cow. I give you a funny one. Here we have the combined final ow or ow. Ke plus ow, it gives cow. Cow. Or if we give a fourth tone, it gives a cow. Cow, which means rely or rely on. But also it's a dirty word, okay, which is cow. And this one sounds almost totally same with the English word cow. 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 Can you tell the difference? Cow. Cow. Okay. But anyway, be careful speaking this word, especially when you speak it singularly. Okay, next one is the E plus ao. Yi ao yao. Yi ao yao. So this combined all together is yao. If before this yao, there's no other initials, it will write in this way. This E will become like the Y, like this. This also pronounced as yi. Okay, you do not need to remember this one. We're gonna go through this later. This, if there's no other initials, it will become yao. Just like one of the matched character is this one. is the medicine, which is a big problem, which price is extremely high. 药 If before this E, there's still other initials, it will write in this way. For example, still this X, 西 E, ao. Ao plus E gives 药 西药 笑 For example, smell 笑 which means smell. Also, if you go to that Taiwan region, you can also, if the people from Taiwan region tell you a joke, you can tell the people from Taiwan that you are very 笑 okay? 你好笑啊 You really funny. You 你好笑啊 Okay? So let's have a review of the finals on this page. A, O, I, U, Ü, Ya, Wa, Wo, Ye, Yue, I, Y, A, Wei, Ao, Yao. Okay, and next we were gonna go through the tunes. Okay, yalla, bye bye.